All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Feeling drained or sluggish? Well, let's talk about the ultimate wellness trend. It's an IV nutrient therapy. Here to discuss how it works, the amazing benefits it offers, and why people are turning to this to feel their absolute best is Dr. Trishani Adams. And also, Dr. Trishani Adams is from Lev Beauty Bar, and owner of Lev Beauty Bar, Danielle Pike, is here. Hello, ladies. How are you?
Hi, thanks for having us.
Listen, we've been seeing a lot of videos online, persons talking about IV vitamin therapy. Let's talk about the difference between IV vitamin therapy and also oral medication, the traditional one. Any of you can take it.
Sure. So IV nutrient therapy or vitamin therapy, it bypasses the gastric tract. So that allows for quicker, faster absorption and immediate benefits. Whereas oral vitamins, you have to digest it, and then most of it is fillers and additives that you're going to excrete anyway. So I would prefer to go the IV route.
Wow, it sounds so pure, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the other question is, what kind of vitamins can be administered this way?
About any of them, the B complex, vitamin C, A, D, E, K, the fat soluble.
Folic acid,
Oh my gosh. No, seriously. Because, Trish, when you say it bypasses the gastric process, right? You're talking about everything in the bowel area, right?
From esophagus going down to the colon. It goes straight into the bloodstream and it goes where it needs to go. It does what it needs to do.
Yeah.
It results almost immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically with the oral medication, you're talking about the coatings, all of those things that would be on a pill.
Additives.
To stabilize them,
Right.
Yeah. Okay. How long would that process take, Danielle?
For the IV treatment, about 30 to 45 minutes on average. So,
And if I took an oral vitamin tablet, how long is that process for absorption?
But you have to digest, and then it has to go through the whole process of your body absorbing it from your stomach and that kind of thing. So a lot longer.
A lot longer than the IV. Okay. What has the reception been like? I know it's trendy right now, right? But I know some persons who are very traditional minded concerning their vitamins, thinking to themselves, boy, the only time I need an IV is when I go in the hospital.
Doctor, when you're sick,
right? Yeah. So what has that been like in terms of getting people to take this type of vitamin?
I think the reception has been pretty good. I think now, especially because it is trendy, and our target market right now at Lev is the younger audience. So they're more in tune with these newer treatments. So they're seeing it available and they kind of want something that's quick and readily available. So they're coming and they're liking it. So we've been having a good reception.
Nice. Who are those persons tapping into it, apart from the persons who are with the trends online? Do you find athletes, persons who work really hard,
We do have a sports recovery treatment as well. So we do have a lot of people coming who are, the gym-focused clients who, after their trainings or after working out really hard, they want that boost that's a little bit faster than going through the regular recovery process.
Yeah. Doc, is this a one-time treatment? I get it and I'm good for months?
No. So one treatment can last you up to 4 weeks, and because there are complications if you get them too often, too narrowly spaced. You don't want hypervitaminosis, which is too much vitamins. Too much of anything is bad. So once per month is good, or as indicated, because as Danielle was saying, we actually do have different packages. So they're not just one size fits all. It depends on the person's needs and wants.
Yeah. And is it that I need to get a prescription for my doctor to say, boy, you need to get IV versus
No, so I would
vitamins?
be the service provider, the doctor. So when you come in, it's like a consult. So I speak with them, I ask you your medical history, do a little exam, and just see if you are a good candidate, right? And if there's any.
How do you figure out which vitamin I'm lacking in, though?
So it depends. So example, for flu recovery, so that would be more vitamin C and B complexes that we'd add to that bag, and magnesium, versus someone who has gastritis or who has a stomach bug, then we'd put anti-nausea in that bag.
Okay, and then how much do you decide is the correct amount?
It's a standard vial that we add to a bag of normal saline.
Okay. Is there a multivitamin option? Like you give me a bag with everything in it?
Yes.
Or specific vitamins as well? Yeah?
So it ranges, as I said, from a B complex to A, D, E, K. We have panthenol, we have biotin, we have folic acid. So it's basically a customizable
treatment.
Treatment,
And
right.
we do that full consult to make sure that we're addressing all your needs when you do come in. So
I love that.
yeah.
Okay, good. Is it safe for everybody?
No.
No.
No, okay.
So there are contraindications. There are persons who won't be able to meet the criteria. So pregnant women, lactating mothers, persons with heart failure, kidney disease, and other types of comorbidities. We'd have to just go through and ensure that
Okay.
they do fit the profile.
Is there also an age restriction?
Yes. So
Okay.
18 and older is ideal.
Okay.
Because under 18, it gets more pediatric and things get, yeah.
Yeah. I know this one, I mean, you connect it to what? A vein in the arm? Yeah. And it sends it through. Do I taste it in my mouth at all? I mean, do I get to, I don't know, does it come up somewhere?
You can, depending, because some of the minerals can have a little taste
Like
to
a-
it,
yeah.
but you shouldn't taste it.
Yeah.
It's intravenous, so yes, we site it into the vein, a peripheral vein. It runs over 30 to 45 minutes, and we monitor your blood pressure throughout the treatment. It's not invasive.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
it's a really relaxed experience. So you could be on your phone,
could be
watch it, you could be asleep, you could lounge. We
At
have
Lev Beauty, you're saying
at
it's a
Lev Beauty Bar.
relaxing treatment.
Yes, absolutely.
Ooh, okay. So you have like the whole place set up for that kind of thing?
Yeah.
With
So
Netflix
we have
and everything?
we have like a spa. It's a spa environment.
Okay.
So the med spa we opened recently. So you can come, you can get your facial, and then after your facial, while you're still relaxed, you could get your IV treatment right after. So it's that kind of experience that we
Okay,
want to
nice.
provide. Yeah.
So you offer facials. What else do you offer there?
We do full body waxing, fillers, Botox.
Botox?
Yeah, massages.
Girl.
So we have bundles ready for, anybody really at this point. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind giving us the cost for the IV treatment?
Yeah.
So cost starts at $25,000.
Okay.
For gastritis relief, it can be less expensive than that. But it depends on the package and the bundle that the person wants.
Okay. Okay. If I have like a very stubborn cold, what would you recommend for me?
The flu
Recovery, for sure.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm recovering from the flu, and I've had, my drip.
Yeah.
I'm feeling much better.
Yeah.
So ready
Okay.
to come on to this interview.
Girl, I'm gonna come link with you.
For sure.
Well, congratulations on the business.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think it's nice. It's really
you.
cool to think about the fact that you could just hook yourself up and you're good
And
to
you're
go again, right?
Ready for a meeting, ready for a trip, ready. And especially now with like carnival season coming up and the party, Christmas
Hangover
season coming up, we have hangover therapy as well. So
You have hangover therapy?
we do have
Yes.
hangover therapy.
I think that's the number one selling.
Yeah.
Because we also do mobile
Yeah.
IV,
Okay,
right?
good. Yeah.
So for those who, let's say, you had a little bit too much to drink,
We can come to you.
We can come to you.
Yeah, don't worry about
Yeah,
it.
we're
Exciting stuff.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, love it. All right, guys. Well, that was aesthetic physician, Dr. Trishani Adams, and owner of Le Beauty, Miss Daniel Pike. We'll be right back with more on Weekend Smiles. Stay with us.